In this video, I'll guide you through how to book a hotel with free cancellation on Agoda, whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a longer trip. Knowing how to lock in a place to stay without losing flexibility can save you both money and stress. We'll go from the very first search all the way to confirming your booking, and I'll explain what to look out for along the way. First, start by searching for hotels on Agoda. Open the Agoda website or app, and on the main screen, you'll see a search bar. Type in your destination, then choose your check-in and check-out dates. Next, select how many guests and rooms you need. Take a moment here to make sure your dates and guest count are correct, because the prices and availability you see will depend on this information. Once everything looks right, tap or click the search button to see the list of available properties. After your search results load, it's time to narrow them down so you only see places that offer free cancellation. To do that, go to the filters section. On the website, this is usually on the left side of the screen. In the app, you'll typically find a filters button near the top or bottom of the results page. Go ahead and open the filters panel so you can refine your search. Inside the filters section, look for the option labeled free cancellation. This is sometimes under headings like booking conditions or policies. Once you find it, select free cancellation to turn that filter on. When this filter is applied, Agoda will refresh the list so you're only seeing hotels that include a free cancellation option for at least one of their room types. Keep in mind that free cancellation often has a deadline, like a specific date or time before check-in, so you'll want to check those details later. Now that your results are filtered, you can choose a hotel, scroll through the list, and take your time comparing options. Pay attention to the overall rating, the number of reviews, the location, and the photos. When something looks promising, open the hotel page to see more details. Here, look closely at the room types and prices. Many hotels offer multiple room options, and not all of them may include free cancellation. Make sure the room you select clearly shows that free cancellation is included, and check the cancellation policy text to see until when you can cancel without a fee. Once you've found a room that fits your needs and clearly states free cancellation, go ahead and proceed to book it. Click or tap the button to select that room, then move forward to the booking page. Here you'll enter your guest details and payment information. Before confirming, carefully review everything: your dates, room type, total price, and especially the cancellation policy. Look for the exact cutoff date and time for free cancellation so you know your deadline. When everything looks correct and you're comfortable with the terms, confirm your booking. After you submit, you should see a confirmation page and receive a confirmation email from Agoda with all your reservation details and the cancellation conditions. Keep this handy so if your plans change, you can cancel within the allowed period without any charges. That's all it takes to book a hotel with free cancellation on Agoda. Search, apply the free cancellation filter, choose your hotel and room carefully, and confirm once you've double checked the policy.